Hey, what's good YouTube? Welcome back to another video. As promised guys, I am going back to my stock intake and we're gonna finally see the results for that. I'm very sure it's gonna be better, but I could be wrong, so we're gonna find out. I'm gonna put it back on real quick and then we're gonna load the tune back into the car and stay tuned for the video. It's about to be good.
Yeah. Started from the mud, now you see us going up. Numbers never lie, now you see us blowing up. People used to front, now you see them showing up. So what's up? I've been down and out, but look, keep it a buck, I don't. Always been one up on all of these. They be trying to front for all of these. I ain't got time cause they all in they feelings. Ice to the gang and we making a kill.
Two passes. The other one I messed up, so we're not gonna count that. We're gonna forget it actually happened. So today's video guys was just me testing the stock intake. My first pass, as you guys saw, was 11.4, so not very good guys. And then on the second pass I decided to take off the filter, so it's kind of cheating, but you know, who cares. So the second pass I took off the filter and it was the same results like the steer intake. 11.2 at 125. All right guys, 11.2 blah 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 at 125 is the same results I got with this intake without a filter and the steer. So there's something wrong with the steer tune guys, so I will put the steer one back in the car and then request a retune from Lund. So we'll see how that goes guys.